Hello?
Hello.
Oh, hi. Why do you kind of look blue in this light?
I know, I also noticed it. It's probably because of the stereo shaders. Yeah, people, we are using different shaders. Why am I so blue? I'm literally just blue.
You're
Wait,
like
what?
blue.
Sunlight.
But,
Even in
welcome.
the sunlight, I'm blue. What is this? Oh no, in the sunlight, I'm a little bit more purple. But there's no
But
sunlight.
enough about Sam's skin being blue. Welcome to our new video, guys. Today we're playing with the
Bird. Man.
the
AKA
Birdman
time's up.
and
And
how's it called?
cave crawler.
Cave crawler.
Probably.
He probably
I don't
crawls into
remember.
the caves.
Probably.
I'm
Maybe.
gonna go. I'm down. Well, there's a cave here, so we could explore. There's already iron in there and lava and water.
Let's get some wood.
So,
So people, we're returning to the redwoods today. It's been a long time.
we're gonna get tools and explore the cave, I think.
And
But we got our tools, all our stuff. We're going out of the cave now, and it's night.
I know.
I'm sorry, sir. So we're going out of the cave, and we'll see how everything goes. Trying to find a place for a base, trying to find food. Maybe both.
Probably. I don't know if we should.
Okay,
wait
come
for
here.
the-
We found some
Fine.
water. I don't think that's a real good place. I don't see anything else anywhere else. So I think I should place our base down here. So well, we found a place to build our base. It's next to the water. I like the view a lot. Sam is on his way. He just died of a creeper. Same way as I died of a few stones. But he'll be here soon, and I'll just get ready, getting rid of a little bit terraforming. I think that's more what I gotta do. Place the bed down. Place the crafting table. And the furnace. And then a little torch on top. This is officially our base now. Should I go look for a little bit of food?
Yeah. Sure.
We're going for a food adventure! Yeah! Fun.
Wait. Copper. Give me the copper.
Goodbye!
Goodbye.
Hello? Is somebody there? I think it left. Okay. What is that? I found sheep, but there's something. What is that? What is that?
What the hell?
I found sheep.
You
But I
died.
also found something. I don't know what it was. It had glowing eyes.
Did you just immediately die?
No, I got scared. It sounded like a child, so I went to look back, but then it just came running towards me, and I didn't. And I shook. I stand still, and then it killed me. We're going back. Oh my god, what happened? I'm not that far away yet. I need to get back. Hold on. Oh my god, my caps lock was on. Okay. Go, gotta go, gotta go, 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 gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, 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 gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, 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 faster, faster, faster. I do not know where I'm going. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, 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 gotta go, and it's raining. But that means that it's brighter. Let's see a little more, okay. But still, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, 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 gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, 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 gotta go, gotta go. I think that's it. That's it, probably. If he just got me because of some noises, right? I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind.
No, you're not.
What is it?
I thought I saw something, but... Jesus! Ah! What the fuck?
I think I know what you saw. Oh my god! Good night. Did it actually leave because I slept? To do that? I don't think that's a feature, putting pool inside of sand.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. If you know how to do it, I would be happy if you teach me.
In reality, it would be possible, but you're playing Minecraft, so...
Probably not. You have seeds? There's a creeper.
After me or after you?
After me, after me, after me. Thank you. It almost blew up the house. That would have been a tragedy.
Wow.
Oh my god! Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god, what the hell happened? That was like a jump scare. I knew jump scares were happening, but I never really thought about it that way. What was that? Okay. Just gonna make a little strip mine. Gonna make a little strip mine right here until 1, it deep slate, or 2, Sam calls me back. Talking about Sam, I see his name tag right there. But we don't care about that right now. Or we see that Birdman. Yeah. Till then. Okay, so our trip of mining cobblestone kind of, no, deep slate, kind of ran out because Sam asked for help, so now I'm gonna get back up and I'll see if I'm on time, but I'm not sure because it's pretty high up. I don't think we'll actually have a speed up of me climbing the stairs because it's pretty fast. I hope. So we're going up and we'll see what Sam has seen. Okay. I think I already know. Let me see. Oh my god. Where is it? Like, where are you? Where's Sam? What is that? Oh my god, what is that? I don't know. Sprint. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. I think that's what Sam was saying, right? Where are you even? Where are you? I'm so scared, oh my god. Wait, is that the bird? What are you doing? Did you not set your spawn? Oh my god, I blew up the house. I blew up the flipping house. You're kidding me. I'm gonna get in trouble because I was the one blowing up the flipping house. Why did I blow up the flipping house? I think it was a full-on wall. I can fix that. I can fix that. I'm so scared actually. I'm still a little bit in shock. Oh my god. I like this combo. I like the combo. Oh my god. It's after me, it's after me, it's after me, it's after me. Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's up, it's up, it's in the house, it's on the roof, it's on the roof. It gives me deja vu. It can swim. I don't know why it does that when it gets in the water.
Why does it like to appear out of nowhere?
Yeah, I don't know. It scared me too.
Nowhere.
I also got a little bit like, huh?
We were just casually talking, doing our stuff, and it decided to show up.
I don't think it actually likes us, so it's just does that. Yeah. So guys, we didn't seem for last time. That's unfortunate. But thank you guys all for watching, and we'll see you the next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Discord.
Join the Discord.
Woohoo! And we're gonna try not to die here in our cozy house.
I love
Goodbye.